clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock, and so on. How many times will it strike in 24 hours? So for its solution, at 1 o'clock the clock strikes once, at 2 o'clock the clock strikes 2 times, and at 3 o'clock the clock strikes 3 times, and so on. It means that it's in Napier. It is T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 2, and similarly T12 is equal to 12. It means first term is 1, second term is 2, and 12th term is 12. We can also write A is equal to 1. A means first term, and common difference D is 2 minus 1, 1, and number of terms is 12. Now we have the formula for finding the sum of terms in AP. So sum of n terms is n by 2 times 2a plus d times n minus 1. In the same way, we can put the values here. In n we can write 12, and a 1, and d also 1. And if we apply the formula, we can get the answer as 78. It means the clock strikes 78 times in 12 hours. But we have the question which says how many times the clock strikes in 24 hours. So in 12 hours the clock strikes 78 times, and there are 24 hours in a day, and we count 13 as 1 o'clock, 14 as 2 o'clock, and so on. So in a day the clock strikes 78 into 2 times, which means definitely 156 times. Hence the clock strikes 156 times in a day. So let's have a quick recap of it. So the clock strikes 156 times.